Well, using TikTok Lite for work versus personal use? Well, let's get into it. TikTok Lite, a streamlined version of the main TikTok app, can be used for both personal and work related tasks. But it is generally better suited for personal use, especially if you prioritize a lighter app with lower data consumption or have a device with limited storage. For work, a standard TikTok business account offers features like product links, analytics, and access to commercial music, which are crucial for marketing and promotion. So, if you want reduced data usage and storage, faster performance, essential TikTok experience, and rewards program, then you can opt for TikTok Lite. However, if you want to use it for work, then it might not be as feasible as it has limited features, reduced monetization options, and a business account with access to commercial music library can be beneficial instead of the Lite account or using the Lite app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.